76. Let's read it. Which of the following alkanes cannot be prepared by Wurtz reaction? Students, higher alkanes can be prepared using Wurtz reaction. I'm writing the reaction, general reaction of Wurtz reaction here. Two alkyl halides combine in the presence of sodium and in dry ether to give alkane which have more number of carbon atoms. So at least methane cannot be prepared using this reaction since methane has only one carbon atom. That means the correct answer is option number 1. Moving to the next question, which is 77. When ethyne is heated with mercuric sulfate and dilute H2SO4 at 333 Kelvin, the product obtained is. Student, I'm writing the reaction. We are given with ethyne. This when reacts with H2SO4 and HgSO4, hydration of alkyne takes place and the products obtained is double bond. Here it will be OH. Now student, this will undergo tautomerism and the products obtained, this is acetaldehyde. So the correct answer is option number 3. Moving to next question, which is 78. Let's read it. Which conformers have lowest and highest torsional strain respectively? Student, we can clearly see that in case of option number 2, the theta, that is the angle between two CH3 group, is 180 degree. That means maximum. So here the torsional strain will be minimum or lowest. Here the theta, that is the angle between two CH3 group, is 0 degree. That is minimum. So the torsional strain will be maximum. That means the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to next question, which is 79. Let's read it. In the given reaction, identify the product P. So student, we are given with an alcohol. Let's draw the structure. We are given with alcohol. So we have an alcohol. This when heated with conc H2SO4, dehydration will take place. OH will be removed from this carbon. Student, hydrogen can be removed either from this carbon or from this carbon. And for the most stable product, hydrogen will be removed from this carbon since more substituted alkene will be more stable. So this is the alkene. So form, this is P and the correct answer is option number 1. Moving to the next question, which is question number 80. Let's read it. When potassium salt of succinic acid undergoes electrolysis at high temperature, the major product obtained is. Student, let's draw the structure. CH2, CH2. I'm drawing the structure of potassium salt of succinic acid. So C double bond O, O minus, C double bond O, O minus. Here it is K plus, K plus. This is the potassium salt of succinic acid. This on electrolysis, student, here free radical mechanism takes place. So first of all, the product obtained is this COO minus with 2K plus. So student, I'm writing the reaction that takes place at anode. At anode, oxidation takes place. So here the negatively charged identity proceeds, and after oxidation the product left is this and 2 electrons. Now this bond and this bond will break and 2 molecules of CO2 will be in the product, and along with that ethene is also formed. So it is very clear that the major product obtained is option number 4, that is ethene. Moving to the next question.